are going to prepare my emergency go bag. But first, let us know what is emergency go bag. It is a portable kit that includes the items that are needed for survival while we are away from our home, since there are a natural disaster or a man-made disaster. So let's go, guys. Help me to prepare my emergency go bag. So I have here a bag, and let us put some rice, of course, canned goods, and noodles that are easy to cook. And also some biscuits, don't forget the important documents such as birth certificate, marriage contract, and IDs. Some money, of course. Also hygiene kit that includes soap, baby powder, toothbrush, deodorant, toothpaste, and shampoo. And also we have here our emergency kit, first aid kit. This includes sanitary napkins, some medicines, bandage scissors, betadine, gauge bandage, cotton balls, and alcohol. And I also have here a microphone. Also, we have our stat, ice bag, thermometer, BP app, some gloves, umbrella, and also our flashlights. Also, we have here a pieces of clothes, charger, and an extra phone. And lastly, don't forget our 1 liter water. Those are the important things inside my go bag. Good day, everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching.